Hello everyone, we are MaticSourcing. MaticSourcing supply high returns cross-border products from reliable factory in China. The 6 products are the following: 32-in-1 universal tool. Amazon price $23.99 USD. Exchange rate 6.25 RMB to 1 USD. Total cost $2.54 USD. Purchase cost $2.4 USD. Labor cost $0 USD. Factory shipping fee $0.016 USD. FBA shipping fee $0.128 USD. FBA delivery fee $2.84 USD. Amazon commission $1.95 USD. FBA storage fee $0.02 USD. Amazon advertising fee $1.3 USD. Profits $4.36 USD. Profit margin 34%. Thank you for your time and welcome to contact us. Email sourcing@maticchain.com. Website www.maticsourcing.com.